Alexa, who are you?
I'm Alexa, and I respond when you say my name.
So this is the LG C2, and well, you could say I didn't turn it into a hands-free Alexa device, but there is the functionality to set this up, and it works okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, it is worth being aware that the LG C2 now has its own hands-free voice assistant, and we can jump in and introduce ourselves by saying, "Hi LG." Hi LG. Search Samuel Jones Tech on YouTube.
Look up Samuel Jones Tech on YouTube.
But if, like me, you have loads of Echo devices all scattered around your home, you can hijack this feature and summon the Blue Goddess herself. Alexa, search Samuel Jones Tech on YouTube. It's actually really simple to set up. Well, if you don't have other Echo devices and an Amazon account, then it is a little bit more difficult. But let's just assume you have to sort of speed this along. We just need to press this button here on the remote, link our account to the TV, and then make sure the hands-free switch has been activated. Once this is done, it's ready. And probably one of the first things you'll notice, it's not as smooth as other Echo devices. Alexa, watch The Witcher on Netflix. It has the functionality of an Echo device, but it's still running on the frameworks of LG Think. And this makes it a bit slow, but I still can control the TV better than if I was to use an external Echo device. You can change channels, search for content, do tons of stuff. Now, one of the things that make it a bit annoying is actually something that other Echo devices do very well. If you say the wake word and two Echo devices hear it, the one that hears you louder will activate and listen to you, and then the other one just shuts itself up. And ultimately that's really good, because when you walk into a room and two hear you, you want the other one to not listen to you because you're obviously not talking to that one. Now, Alexa on the C2 doesn't have this functionality. If the C2 even catches a whiff of me chatting to other devices, it gets jealous, and I can just hear it talking to me from the other room. And I mean, you could say it's impressive that it can hear me, but it's just really annoying. Now, one of the new features on the LG C2 could have been really good, but actually is a bit disappointing. You can click this video here to see what that is, and subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Whoop!